Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the spectacular Zadar Grey. Starting from the front of this Velar, where we'll find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you'll see further perfectly black contrasting features, all are courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits proudly on a set of 21-inch 5 split-spoke gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll also notice your rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their Ebony perforated and cloud Windsor leather rear reclined seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 20-way heated front seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. Ahead you'll also notice your fully digital display. And as we advance over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. You'll also be able to access various climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences, as well as various driving dynamics and terrain response systems, which again can be tailored to the driver's individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE, which we now have available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.